Hi everybody, today I'm doing a new video on my cats. Now, this is my one cat, Calvin. Calvin. That's my little cat, Calvin. Don't. But, that's my cat, Calvin, right there. And that's my mom's foot. That's Calvin. Calvin. Stop cleaning yourself. Here's Odie. There comes Ode. That's Odie, boots with the fur. Apple bottoms, Calvin. And the wherever Happy went, that's Becky sweatpants. It's all by the song. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. But, Odie, you're getting in the way of my shot. Come on. Odie, get. Okay, but that's Calvin. My little sweet bear. Little lump. Odie. Hey, look. Odie. You are so hard to get on camera. Here, lift your head. That's Odie. Odie. I'm not choking. I was just holding it. Odie. There goes Odie. My mom's foot again. There goes Calvin. Mom! Odie. There's little Odie. Okay, so, of course, they're going into the darkness. Odie went behind the couch. Calvin! Here's little Calvin! You're so sweet. How fat he is. Look at his tiny little head. Look how fat he is. But that's the update on my cats. And I think I have a clue where Happy is. And yep, I was right. This is Happy Girl. They have to be trapped in this room because I'm redoing my floor. Because we're redoing our floor in our kitchen. I mean, our living room and the hallway. Because our living room floor is connected to our hallway. And we're redoing it, so they have to be trapped back here because we're redoing the floor. Hi, Bubs. We have a door, so they're trapped back here. I feel so bad for them. And I wanted to bring a kitty cat to my room, but my mother won't let me. Hi, pretty girl. Do you hear her purring? It's very soft. The purr. And she is very soft. Look at those little cheeks. Look at those little cheeks. Look at that pooch. That pooch. That thing right there's her pooch. It's okay, Hap. Calvin. Apple. Watch. Calvin. My hand is right. Move your butt. Come on. Move your butt. Move your butt. Come on. Move your butt. Calvin. Watch this. Watch. Apple bottom jeans. Boots with the fur. Odie's back there. Watch. Apple bottom jeans. Odie's back here. Boots with the fur. The whole crowd was looking at her. She hit the floor, nothing. Should have got low. Baggy sweatpants. And that's how it goes. But she hardly ever gets attention because we didn't just get, but she hardly gets attention because we're most on the other two cats. So I'm giving her all the attention right now. But that's Happy, the 12-year-old girl. And then Calvin isn't even a cat yet. He's still a kitten. And then Odie's only 2. He's almost 3. I'm going to walk out with the kitten. It was I'm going back to my room, the disaster room. Yes. And I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. And please subscribe. Bye, guys.